Steve Mignante, I'll tag him, he discovered that this was originally a real Max Wedge car. Alright, this is all early B-bodies here at Mopar City. A lot of really cool cars. A lot of really neat stuff. Except for that Dodge truck. I don't know why the Dodge truck is here. Ooh, wagons. 2 doors, 4 doors. I think this right here, Steve Mignante, I'll tag him, he discovered that this was originally a real Max Wedge car. Let's see if he was able to identify it by the brakes line and the hole for the, yeah. See that brake line right there? That brake line signifies it as being a Max Wedge car, and the hole right, you can't see, right over there, signifies that that's where the choke cable came through. And those were only on Max Wedge cars, real ones. So this race car is a real Max Wedge car, which is really cool. And then, ooh, 71 Challenger. Ooh, 71 Challenger RT. Wow, and there's the taillights I needed, and the back bumper. I'll have to look at, is there a course report? Oh no, the course report's banged up on it. Okay. But here's the E-bodies, which we'll get a closer look here in a minute. This is cool. A lot more early B-body stuff here. And over here. And then I believe that's it for early B-bodies. And then we get into more of the 68 through 70 stuff, because that's a 70 Satellite or Roadrunner. That's a 69 Satellite or Roadrunner. That right there is a 69 Dodge Charger. Oh, 2 of them, 3 of them. That's pretty cool. 4-door. Here's some 71 and up, or 71 through 74 B-bodies. That is a fiberglass front end on a, looks to be 72 Charger. Actually, I might know this car. I'm going to look into my archives, but I think I almost owned this car. It was out of, where was it? It was out of Waukegan, Illinois. I'll find a picture and I'll put it in the video here, just for context. Roadrunners. Chargers. Like this is a 73 or 4, that's a 73 or 4. That's a 72, I believe. It's 73 or 4. 73 or 4. A lot of these are, like I said, that era. Well, this is actually, I shouldn't say that. This right here is like a 68 Dodge Coronet, what's remaining of it. 75. There's a Magnum. Oh, now we're getting to some C-bodies. Chrysler 300, maybe a Newport. And there are also some B-O and F bodies. Ooh, here's an Imperial. And a Dodge truck. Alright, let's see if we can get to that Aspen RT real quick. Those are F bodies over here that are kind of neat. Dodge Aspen. See right here, this is a 77 Dodge Aspen RT. I think that might have been one as well. There's the Magnum. Oh, there's an Imperial. Oh, there's a Magnum GT with T-tops. Dodge truck. Imperial. Oh, there's a few more Imperials of multiple vintages. What do we got here? Oh, there's a whole bunch of Magnums. And a Murata. Well, that's a Volare. How cool is that? Magnum GT with T-tops. Now they're, I don't know if it's a GT. Imperial. That might be a Charger. I think that's like a 75 Charger with T-tops. Another Magnum. A few more big cars. Ooh, 75 Roadrunner. That's something you don't see every day. Even has the tunnel rear graphic. That's Murata. We had the prototype at the McCacken 2022 show. Automatic on the floor. Power disc brake. I don't think they had drums by that point. And then here's some cars. A bodies and C bodies. Oh, here's like a 300 convertible. 67 Barracuda there. 65 there. Some Valiants. 66 Barracuda. And then there's a Duster. And a Wreck Demon and another Demon. But we'll get to them in a minute. Actually, let's see what we got here. Yeah, this is nothing too crazy. Let's go down here. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not a Demon, that's a Duster. Chrysler Crown Coupe. That's a Demon. And it's flipped over like a 59 something, a fin car. It's an odd location. Another Duster. Sportsman. DeSoto, I guess. Another Duster. Big C-body convertible. Duster. There's lots of C-bodies over here, as well as the A-bodies. Duster, Dart Sport, which is what replaced the Demon after that whole brouhaha. There's two Dart Sports here. Ooh, this one has the really cool chrome tail panel. Okay. What else we got? Dart 4-door, another Dart Sport. Here's I think a 300 convertible. Okay, it's a Chrysler convertible. Big C-body. Another C-body. I think that's a C-body. I'm not really sure. It's a Reigns of something Mopar. Huh. Interesting. There's a Dodge Colt drag car. Mulligan Stew, think something. Another like 66 Barracuda. Another Duster. Okay. Dart. Cool, I think it's a Plymouth pickup truck. We'll see when we come around the other side, because usually it would say Plymouth, I think, on the cowl. Looks like it might have been an army truck. Not quite sure. Huh, interesting. Doesn't say, or at least I can't make it out. Okay. More darts. Oh, here's a 300 convertible. Ooh, Polar convertible. I like these, like 69. These are sharp. Oh, there's two of them. Another Duster. This is cool. Wonder if they have the super light. That one does not have the super light. Let's see if this one does. Nope. 69 Polaris had a special light in the grill, and I think it's that area. I can't see in the sun. But It was basically a fifth headlight that was a mid-range. It wasn't the one that was the, you know, the high beams. It wasn't low beams. It was right in the middle. And it was illegal in some states and not. And it was only 1 year on one car. But yeah. Right now it's a dead end over here. I gotta walk all the way back. Which is not a problem when you're looking at cool cars like this. But I can see that this is a lot of mid-60s C bodies and a handful of A bodies. Okay. Now walk over here. Oop. More A bodies. There's a lot of A bodies. I think this is all A bodies over here. Yeah. Looks like all this, except for what's against the wall, is all A body. Barracudas and Dusters and Darts. As far as the eye can see. I'm going to try to get some drone footage. Unfortunately, there's a nuclear power plant just past those trees. And I don't know if they're going to be very happy with me doing drone footage, but I'm willing to give it a shot. But if it's not in this video, don't yell at me. Okay, oop, Dodge dually bed. And here's a lot of Dusters and Darts, a lot of A bodies I've noticed on this side. I know over there is the B bodies, which we'll get to as soon as we get out of this row. Not that I don't like A bodies, I love A bodies. I would take a Duster or Demon any day of the week. I actually owned a few. I had a 72 Dart Swinger for a bit, I had a 74 Dart Swinger, on a 73 Duster for a bit. Now I'm just down for classic Mopars, down to my 71 Challenger, which isn't a bad thing. A bunch of cool cars. And one Ram 50 pickup truck. Oh, here's another Imperial. Oh, now we're getting back into C bodies on this side. Oh, and B bodies over here. I don't like a Sport Fury GT right there. Oh, I heard something move over here. 71 Charger, 72 Charger. Wonder if this is a Frank Sinatra edition. It's the right blue. Because in, I think, 82 and 83, just someone will correct me, but they had a Frank Sinatra edition Imperial. And these all got, well, not all, but many of them got an early form of fuel injection that was a disaster, and they were converted to 4-barrel carburetors. Ooh. Nice. Oh, there's a super light on a Polara. That's something you don't see every day. Well, that's cool. Get a picture of that before I forget. Whoop. All right. Oh, here's a 71 Roadrunner. Or Sally, but I think I remember this from last time, it being a Roadrunner. More C bodies. More B bodies. A lot of cool cars. Man, if I could have any C body, yeah. 70 Sport Fury GT. I just love them. Ooh, this thing had a hard hit. Poor car. And that's weird. It has the VIN tag screwed onto the quarter panel. That's very odd. Another Imperial sunroof. Now we're back over here. Back with the B bodies. Bunch of stuff. Here's 4 doors like cop cars and some other odds and ends. Oh, I found Seth again. Oh, good. His parents would be upset if I lost him. They'd be mildly upset. All right. Now we start on this row. And we actually showed this earlier. Here's 1, 2, 3, 69 chargers. That's all. Get a picture. I apologize for the abrupt cutoff. Something happened on the video that comes right after the last one. And I'm not quite sure what. I've got a few computer things going through it, try to correct the error. But if not, the next video will just take off from where I have good coverage. And I'm just showing a few pictures from the very first time I went to Mopar City in Oregon, Illinois. Just to let you know, they do sell cars. They sell cars, they sell parts. The entire yard is for sale as a group, if you're interested. I'm going to put all their information in the description below. You can give them a call, drop them an email. They do respond because that's how I got in contact with them this last time. And they were generous enough to spend their afternoon letting me wander around and do these cool pictures and video. And I got to play with my drone near a nuclear power plant. I didn't get, the Secret Service shooting at me or anything like that. So it was a lot of fun. And I'm going to show real quick a small taste of the drone footage that you should be looking forward to in the next few videos. Because I got to play around and take my drone through all of this yard. And that is me finally getting a little bit of control, even after I broke it. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video from Mopar City. This first part was really cool to check out, and the quality and quantity of cars that me and Seth and they had let me document was really kind, because I know in the past, I only been there one time before, which I explained earlier, and some of the pictures and such, and for him just to open the doors and let me walk around and use drones and such was really, really kind of them. Still no word on the blue car. I'm probably going to follow up this week since it'll be 6 weeks since I dropped it off. Last update was they were checking the camshaft to see how much metal had gotten into the engine and if the camshaft was good or whatnot. So I better follow up on that, but it's been nice to have some space in the garage to be able to work on stuff. And I'll show you here in a second what I've been working on. I'm going to have a whole video on it, which will probably release on Friday. But I took the garbage rear bumper that I have, that I bought 10 or so years ago, and I cleaned it up as best I could. And I'm stripping, this is the original bumper that came with the car 20 years ago. And it's the wrong one. You can see it has the big bumper guards. So I'm taking parts off of this one to put on that one. You can see I cleaned up the bolts right there. So I'm hoping maybe to have a bumper, at least on the back of the car here in the near future. Unless I find another rear bumper, because this thing is garbage. Even after buffing and everything, it's really bad. But you'll see it all in the video. Let me know what you think, of course, in the comments below. New video every Monday, and maybe Friday this week? I don't know, whenever I'll drop the bumper video. But working on the green car, still waiting on a few parts, but moving ahead with it. I'll talk to you all soon. Stay safe.